Do 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 do.
Hi, my name is Amit Saraswat and I am the product head for enterprise voice and collaboration at Tata Docomo. Today we're going to talk about one of our latest product launches and one of the industry first launches which we recently did, SIP Trunk. Since scalability is the future, SIP Trunk is an IP based PSTN service which delivers up to 1500 channels on a single link. Unlike traditional telephony where bundles of physical wires are being delivered by the service provider to the business, SIP Trunk allows the businesses to replace these traditional PSTN lines with a single link delivered from the service provider network. The benefits of SIP Trunk to an enterprise can be classified into three clear distinct areas. Simplicity of networks being one clear winner. Now, with SIP Trunk, as the clutter of these multiple physical links do not enter the premise of a customer end, it eases out the clutter and thus the manageability becomes easier at the customer end. Not only that, SIP works on open standards, it being an IP technology, thus is able to interop and work with multiple different kind of equipments available at the customer end. SIP Trunk not only helps simplify the networks, but works as one of the major cost saving elements for enterprises. Any time and every time whenever an enterprise wants to upgrade more voice channels, now there is no need to invest further on incremental PRI ports which would call in for incremental investments. Not only that, it being an IP PBX, a single terminating device, it works as low on maintenance cost. Also, latest technology working on now on IP PBXs works for enterprises as a future protection towards investments. Not only SIP Trunk helps save cost, but is in fact a very scalable solution. In addition to simplicity and cost saving, SIP Trunk works as a very scalable solution. With a simple bandwidth upgrade, the voice channels can be upgraded on a fly on a single voice link. Not only from 30 PRI voice channels, a SIP Trunk can go up to supporting 1500 voice channels on a single link. It being terminated on a single link is low on maintenance and easy to manage. Due to these benefits, SIP Trunk has seen a phenomenal market adaptation since its launch. In a matter of few months, we have clocked more than 8,000 active ports today. Most of these customers started small with 30 to 60 voice channels, but in a matter of a month, seeing the possibilities and the benefits which the SIP Trunk gave them, have upgraded themselves to more than 500 to 1000 voice channels. And these customers come from all segments, starting from the low end of SMEs to the top end of the corporates. Due to these benefits, SIP Trunk has seen a phenomenal market adoption since its launch, with over 8,000 deployed port as of today. Tata Docomo's SIP Trunks are available in both normal fixed line number series as well as 140 series specifically required for telemarketers. The SIP Trunks support the corporate ringtones, the signature tunes required as jingles to be played by corporates. Not only that, the SIP Trunks from Tata Docomo are interoperable with most of the available IP PBXs in the market today, which gives a lot of leeway to the end enterprise to work with any kind of an end CPEs which they would be comfortable and would require to use it in the normal work of life. If you would like to know more about SIP Trunk, feel free to get in touch with us.